Hello business owners, so are you also tired of replying to your WhatsApp messages manually? Then here I've come up with a solution that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So by using this particular software, you can create a WhatsApp chat bot for your business to reply to your WhatsApp messages automatically. Yes, we are going to use this software to create a WhatsApp chat bot with no single line code. And the best part is it's totally free for the trial. So here what we are going to do is that we are going to create a WhatsApp chat bot using Pabbly Chat Flow, and then whenever a user is going to send a message to our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So here if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow. If you're tired of manually replying to customer queries, this chatbot will save you time and keep your customers engaged 24/7 without any extra cost. Alright, so here on my screen you can see a chatbot that I've already created using Pabbly Chat Flow, that is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the magic of this WhatsApp chatbot that I've already created for my e-commerce store. Alright, so now here to see the working of this chatbot, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've already connected with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So let's suppose that I'm a customer over here and I'm going to drop the text as, "Hey, I want to know about my order." And here you can see the message that we have received that says, "Hello and welcome to Trendora. Thanks for reaching out to us. I'm your shopping assistant. How can I help you today? Please select an option below." And here we have received 3 quick reply buttons such as view products, track my order, or talk to support. So let's click on this track my order. And then it says, "Please share your order ID, example this, and we will check your order status." So I'm going to give my order ID over here. And then it says, "We will get back to you shortly with your tracking info." And also you can select some other quick reply button as view products. And then here it has shared us the catalog of the product, which says, "Here's our latest collection," with a quick reply button of visit website. And if you select this quick reply button, then automatically we have received the website URL of this store. Alright, so with this you have successfully seen the magic of this WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for my store. And also you can create this amazing chatbot for your business just for free. Yes, you heard it right. You can create this amazing chatbot with no single line code and absolutely free by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chat Flow. So here to access the Pabbly Chat Flow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chat Flow. So here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chat Flow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. So here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to access Pabbly Chat Flow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chat Flow, and here let me tell you that I've already connected my WhatsApp number with my Pabbly Chat Flow account. So here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your Pabbly Chat Flow account, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel and also in the description box below. And now here let me give an overview that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. So for that you need to click on this add WhatsApp number button given over here, and then you will be able to see the option of WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So here you can see that WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method. That means here you must use this particular method to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. And here if you wish to select manual token connect, then it is going to ask for the Meta access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So basically here to get all these details, you need to set up a WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta, and once you are going to set up the account, automatically you are going to get all these details. And after adding the details over here, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chat Flow account. Alright, so now here let me tell you that Pabbly Chat Flow offers some amazing features that are available in the left side bar given over here. So now here if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of each feature. So let's start with the inbox. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. So by using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queue. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each team member over here. Then comes the templates. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So here by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messages for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the flows. So by using this particular feature, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So here by using this particular feature, you can see all the activities of your Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings, and here under settings you can see some more features as well. So here if you wish to learn about these features, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help option. So here by using this particular option, you can get a response to all your queries regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the Pabbly Chatflow features, and now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for our business, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. Now here under this flow builder, you can see all the flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot for my business, we are going to create a new flow by clicking on this add a flow button given over here. Now here in this flow window, we are going to give a name to our flow first, that is WhatsApp chatbot for e-commerce store. Alright, so now after giving a name to my WhatsApp chatbot, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, you need to set up the trigger for your WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can set up the trigger as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a message template, then you can choose the template from the template library, and else you can set the keywords or the regex as well. So here if you will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. For example, if we add a keyword like hey, that is a very basic keyword. So for that you need to type the keyword first, and then you need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword, so that whenever a user sends a message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different ways. One person might say tell me about the store, while another might write please track my order. So instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. For example, using a regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here it says enter the regex to match substring trigger and enable the toggle for case sensitive regex. So here it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each case sensitive regex only. Alright, so this was all about the flow start, and here after setting up the flow start as regex, we are going to move forward. And now here I want, whenever a user is going to send a message to my WhatsApp chatbot, then I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer. So for that we are going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to select text plus button over here, and here in this message box I'm going to enter the text as hello and welcome to Tanjora. Thanks for reaching out to us. I'm your shopping assistant. How can I help you today? Please select an option below. So here you can see I have used asterisk before and after some text over here. So that is because here I wanted to make that text bold, and here if you wish to bold your text, then you need to use this particular text format. Alright, so now after entering the message, I'm going to add some quick reply button over here, where I'm going to enter the text as view products, track my order and talk to support. Alright, so now here after adding these quick reply button, we have successfully completed this message box, and now further I'm going to build the WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. So let's start with the view product. So if my customer is going to select this particular quick reply button, then I want to send the product catalog to my customer. So for that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select a media text box over here, and here it is asking me to select the media type. So I'm going to select the media type as document over here, and then here for the file I'm going to select the file from my file manager. So this is that particular file that I'm going to select over here, and here you can see as soon as I've uploaded the file over here, automatically this URL has been updated over here. And then here for the caption, I'm going to enter the caption as here's our latest collection. Alright, so here let's make this text bold as well. And now here after adding this caption, I'm going to add another button over here, that is for the website, so that if my customer want to purchase any product, then he or she simply can visit the website. So here I'm going to enter the text as visit website, and then further I'm going to add a text box for this particular quick reply button, where I'm going to add the the website of my store. So it says tap to explore all our categories and place your order, and this is the website of my store over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed the WhatsApp chatbot for this quick reply button. So now let's move back to our main message box, and then here we are going to move forward with the second quick reply button, that is track my order. So if my customer is going to select this particular option, then I want to ask about the order ID from my customer first. So here to ask the question, what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this action type notes, and from here you can see some action type notes available over here. So from here to ask a question, we are going to drag this ask a question node over here, and we are going to drop it over here. And now here in this question message box, I am going to enter the message as please share your order ID, example this, and we will check your order status. Alright, so this is a simple message, and then here is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here let me tell you that I've already created a contact custom field for the order ID. And here if you wish to learn that what is this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video related to this feature. And also let me tell you that how you can access this contact custom field. So for that you need to click on the settings, and from here you will be able to see the option of contact custom field. Alright, so now here I'm going to select the contact custom field of order ID that I've already created, and then here is asking me to select the format of the reply. So I'm going to select the format as text, and then here is asking me to enter the number of attempt. So I'm going to keep it as 1, and then here it is asking me for the validation error message. So I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the validation error message, then you can add it as per your need. Alright, so now I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box, and once my customer is going to reply with the order ID, then I want to send a simple text to my customer, and for that we are going to add a text box, and here I'm going to enter the text as we will get back to you shortly with your tracking info. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now here after creating the WhatsApp chatbot for this quick reply button, we are going to move forward with the talk to support quick reply button, that is the last over here. So for that I'm going to add another text box over here, and here I'm going to add the text as our team will get in touch with you shortly. Alternatively, feel free to call us directly at this number. Alright, so with this we have successfully added the message box for this quick reply button as well. So this was the entire chatbot that I've created for my e-commerce store. So this is a very simple and the short chatbot that I've created over here, but you can add the message boxes and some other note boxes as per your need. And now here after creating this amazing chatbot, we are going to save our flow first by clicking on the save button, and it says flow updated successfully. So now here after saving the flow, let's go back to our WhatsApp to see the working of this amazing chatbot once again. So for that, let me all take you back to my WhatsApp, and now here I'm going to clear the chat to start it from the scratch. So let's suppose once again I'm a customer over here, and I'm going to drop the text to this WhatsApp chat as hey, I want to make a purchase. And here you can see we have received the same message that says hello and welcome to Trendora. Thanks for reaching out to us. I'm your shopping assistant. How can I help you today? Please select the option below. And here you can see the 3 quick reply button that we have received over here. And now if your customer is going to select any of the quick reply button, then automatically your chatbot is going to send the reply to your customer. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot. So that was all about the WhatsApp chatbot that we just right now created, and you can also create this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, that is your free tool to create a WhatsApp chatbot without writing a single line of code. It answers your customer queries automatically, share product info, booking links or forms, and also saves hours of manual work with availability of 24/7 even when you're offline. And you know the best part? It's completely free to get started, whether you run a shop, clinic, coaching class or online store. Pabbly Chatflow lets you build powerful WhatsApp chatbots in minutes. So try it now and see how easy it is to automate your customer conversations for free. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can visit forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.